Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create an account in Mercari Japan, one of the most popular platforms to sell and buy items, well, usually secondhand items online. You can also sell your new items. And personally, I have used Mercari to sell my items, and I can tell you that it's so easy and quick. You just upload photos and then add some details, and then you wait for the interested buyers to reach out.
So here is the QR code that you can scan to download the application, or you can go to jp.mercari.com. And once the app is installed, so you open it, you will see the red button here, which says sign up and log in. So you tap on it, it will show you this screen here. Mercari allows you to sign up using your email address and social media accounts. For this tutorial, I will show you how to register using your email address. So I will tap on this first button here. Now fill in your email address and create a password. So your password needs to be a combination of more than 8 letters and numbers. Next, you will need to fill in your profile name and the invitation code. And here I have an invitation code that you can use to receive 500 yen for your first purchase. Next is your personal information. You need to put your last name. So in Japanese, your last name comes first. So last name, name, and then last name, name again in Japanese characters. And the last one is your birthday, and then click next. Now you need to verify your phone number. So you put your phone number here, and then when you click here, Mercari will send you a 4-digit code. Enter that code here, and then tap verify, and here's your account.
And that's it. You've successfully created an account in Mercari Japan. So thanks for watching.